Big things are going on in my yard back, you know. Look there. So nice and juicy. I'm a good up chicken them. So they're nice and juicy. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to yam them up. I'm here on the grill today. Yep. Making some good old jerk chicken. Yeah. You see this piece here right here, so? That's the gizzard, you know. That piece here. This is the gizzard. Can't wait to yam it up. Big time jerking. I want to run on my yard back. When you did go on like them one little burning, you know. Do that. Or you are going with the now. With your burning where you are trying to do. Yeah? But let me tell you what I do. So I season them up from last night, and the same pot where you season it up, you know. When you get up, you just put on the pot on the stove and scald it off for about 15 minutes. So the chicken halfway cook, it almost done cook. Yeah? And then you put them on the grill. And it make them soft and juicy and nice. I tell you. You ever eat some people jerk chicken and it does tough, so? No. When you scald it off, you don't get that tough something there. It just tender and nice and good. So you season it up with your jerk seasoning and all your seasoning them, and then you scald it off for 15 minutes, and then you put them on the grill. Yeah, and while them on the grill, you have your make up your little sauce, you know, with your little jerk seasoning and little barbecue sauce and every little thing, little sugar, you know, all kind of thing. That's taste it. If it tastes good, it's ready to go. You understand? And then you just rub them while them dip on you. Yeah, rub them while them dip on you. Put on your nice good up sauce pan there. No want some of it, you know. If you know the name of that, you know, little. All depends who it is still, can. Someone of a starve in a real life. While me I jerk my chicken now, look on this fuckery where I go on this yard back here. You see him? Look on him. Look on him. I'm like for jerk chicken, me more. I'm say I come for jerk chicken. This pussy hole I go. And where this iguana I really depend. Eh? Look on him. I can't see him. Let me try zoom in. Get out of here. Oh, fancy if it dash one into, you know. Get out of here. Get out. Pussy warrior. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. He just come down and spread out in a yard and I come go like a your yard. Eh? How could I cause? There's enough of them in here, you know. This man in a 4, me see. Me see one big one look like dinosaur. All baby, me see. Me see big, me see big. Watch, I see one more there right there side of the tree. One more that on the tree there side, you know. Look here. See if you can see it. I want that right there side, you know. You see him? No, I'm afraid of them pussy over there too, you know. That's the worst part about it. There. One there right there upon the limb they lay down. And then see him here also. Watch out. See one here. Watch him. Go on him. Eh? And them something I feel blood clot deal with. Like me and Noah. Watch out, see one more here. Watch out. There's a whole army of them. There's a army. See one more there. Army is out. Army is out. Yeah. Big army. Big army. Coming down. Coming down for me. Hold on. Army coming down, Kim. Army coming down. Back up, back up. Back up. Army. You understand me? Big army is out. Yo, they must want some of my jerk chicken. I can't bother. Me rascal queen. But I want whole army in here. I'm talking about there's at least 10 iguanas in the back of my yard. Like really. 10 iguana in the back of my yard. Live with me. We don't understand it. Why so much of them? Clear. And it's like them extra brave and them just having a good time in the yard. Watch out. One more yasso. And then see one him up there so I crawl away. One day up there so too, you know. See him? See him right there so. Oh Jesus God, a bear of them. It's a whole fucking army of them. No, you look like you fit in a zoo. No, you have in a zoo. I can't in here say you want there. I hope I'm not down here plan for coming. I down there something here come. Oh, I have it up. I have it up this dinosaur here go. Look on him, man. Oh my God. Oh shit. Watch him. Lord of mercy. We not trouble in the backyard, you know? We not trouble. See all one more up on the wire over this. The one that on the wire over this a while ago. A beer of them. See one there crawl up on wire. Oh, see one next one up on the wire too. A beer of them. How much of them, so? Huh? No. This is very concerning. This is very concerning now. Eh? Oh man, that one the pig man, he look like he's a grandfather that.